Mr. Planner.
Challenge, team up, 24 hours. Open soy. Open bean. Open sesame.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Nada, sir. What do you want?
I have something for you.
Amen, amen, amen.
Okay. See you there. Hi. Can you see me?
You got my attention.
You know what? I got a new challenge for you. If you're interested, you can join me.
I'm intrigued.
Three of you has just overcome the first round. Now, introduce me your team.
I'm Planner.
Hi, Mr. Planner.
This is our team.
Wow. I am multilingual.
Hi, Mr. Montilingo. You are?
He's Brocoder. And he introvert.
Oh. Hi, Mr. Brookholder. Your challenge in there. Come in.
My head is so heavy. It's content for knowledge of the universe.
Hey, it's time.
Now it's your challenge. But first of all, you have to find out where the questions are. I knew it. You was wrong. Next question. Now is your last chance.
Well done, gentlemen. It seems Mr. Librarian cannot make you discouraged. So finally, three of you has come to the final round. You fight against our two mighty warriors. Try to leave the room before being killed.
The barrier is yours. We are between you and your goal.
We stand, you idiot.
You want a trophy?
Try
this!
I will wash my scimitar with your blood. Ah! 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 My eyes!
Let me try your kung fu.
I want to win this game.
Try this, you loser. Yeah, I
I am impressed by your observation and programming skill. I wish I had ability to do the same.
Your language skill is not bad either. Do you think I can be as good as you?
Of course, it will be very useful. Why don't we build a club together and have students like us?
That's a great idea. Mr.
Planner.
Planner. Mr. Planner. Mr. Planner.